See, I think obviously the other side may prefer a review or a reference on certain legal questions. I'm not sure of it though. And two, I think the government may want to look at what kind of operational issues it can address without going for legislative amendments of the SMA. Because ultimately on the question of legislative amendments to the SMA, because it involves the question of revisiting the institution of marriage, the Parliament may want a wider consultation. The in-between measure or the via media could be that it recognizes certain civil unions without giving them the same status as marriage, and also has a different regime if they wish to adopt. And those are aspects where, of course, child health experts will have to be considered. So I think that the government as well as the Parliament may perhaps constitute a committee. And of course, I don't know the exact details here. They may want to, they may consider this. That's what I think will happen. See, on the aspect of adoption, I'm not going to take a position that there should be no final decision on the point. However, I think we need more inputs from subject matter experts on the basis of whatever was presented in court by representatives of the government and other parties. And I represented a women's rights organization as well as a child rights organization. They were of the view that in order for a child to grow in a healthy manner, it must have both the cis male and cis female influence for it to have a balanced, let's say, mental health. This is what I understand from experts. And on these matters, I think it's important to listen to the experts, notwithstanding what our views may be on these subjects. As far as the larger question of marriage is concerned, so far legislations have treated marriage as an institution which is meant for heterosexual cis males and cis females. If they really want to recognize non-heterosexual marital unions, they may want to consider coming out with a separate regime altogether, as opposed to diluting definitions of man and women as they are understood currently in these legislations. That would be my limited suggestion.